Hi, we are the Lunar Lasers, and this is ToddEd, our TED Talk chatbot. So here are some things that you can expect us to talk about throughout our presentation. Here's our team and the roles that everyone has on our team. Our team has 7 members and 6 students and 1 mentor. Everyone has different roles, as you guys saw before, to make sure that we stayed organized throughout our development. So we created this product so that we could experience learning how to make an NLP model. And the purpose of this product is so that people can efficiently get advice, help, and motivation with issues and topics that they are interested in. Here's our product. So as you can see in the top box, you can put in a topic and then you click the generate button. Then our text generation AI will create an original educational speech about the topic.
So over the 3 weeks of the presentation of our camp, we while learning about NLP, we were also continuously working on and improving our project. So during the first week, we chosen and cleaned our data sets. We initially started trying to do dad jokes, but we realized it wasn't really possible. So we switched to TED Talks and we started pre-processing and started training. And week 2, we started training multiple models at the same time to get different versions going to find the most consistent one. And week 3, we finished our final website, connected it to our model, and started fine-tuning parameters to get the best output.
Our data sets came from Kaggle. We found 2 separate data sets that included transcripts from thousands of different TED Talks. And so we combined them all into one file to train our AI on. And then we later on made a second file that also included the titles of these transcripts so that we could make the AI generate based on title or topic. So while training, we took the first 200 tokens of each of those TED Talks and fed into the model, which is GPT-2 Neo. It's a variant of GPT-2. And we had to naturally include the title in natural language at the start of every TED Talk because GPT-2 is an auto-completion model. And so unlike newer models, GPT-3, you can't like ask it questions. You have to complete text. When we finally finished training, we still had to do some fine tuning because particularly with generation. Often people use random sampling, but we actually used a greedy search algorithm because it tended to produce more coherent sentences. But to make sure it's generating original stuff and wasn't being repetitive, we put a repetition penalty on it. So it didn't produce quotes like here, which was what happened when it had too low of a repetition penalty.
Some challenges we faced were training time ranging from 1 to 2 weeks. We tried to shorten that time by running on a local machine, training on fewer transcripts, and reducing token count. Another challenge was our chatbot talking in gibberish, so we did more dataset cleaning.
All right, so the tech stack that we used for training was Google Colab, PyTorch, and Hugging Face. So we use Google Colab as our IDE for training because they give the model like a cloud GPU that was way more powerful than the GPUs that we had on our computers. And what it basically reduced the training time for like 2 weeks, like 40 minutes when we use Google Colab. And we also use PyTorch and the Transformers Python library, which was used to create our model and train it. And finally, once our model is finished, we use Hugging Face so that we could access it later. For our website, for like our front end, we use Bootstrap CSS templates, so it would just make everything like CSS development a whole lot faster. We also use Flask to integrate our model into our website via API calls. And finally, we use Replit to like actually code the website because it offered free hosting and easy collaboration.
So although we're finished with the product for now, we had some ideas if we were to continue future development, some more features that we could add, such as a place where users can log in and save their favorite TED Talks, or a place where users can vote on their favorite TED Talks to be put in the ToddEd Hall of Fame. And the use case for this product is mostly for TED Talk fans or people just curious about a topic who want to input something and just get some new information. All right, thanks for listening. We can give you a quick demo of our website now. All right, this is our ToddEd website. Right beneath the title, you can give it a try just by inputting topic and clicking generate. And we have some more information about us, some example outputs through our generations, like our initial generation, our V2, V3, and V4, and you can see how our model improved over multiple generations of training. We have more information about our team here, their experience through the camp, and their roles. So now, if you want to quickly try out our model, you can put it in something like AI camp and see what it puts out. And there you go, a short TED Talk about AI. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions?
If there aren't any questions, then can we get a round of applause for the lunar lasers?